All right, continuing on with the Star Wars Advent Calendar. We've got all of our pieces laid out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means today we are on number 7. This is the 2022 Star Wars Advent Calendar. Ooh, speeder, awesome. And we're just going through and doing these here together. All right. Do a different one of these each day. Move that guy out of the way there so we can build it. All right. They definitely don't make this easy. All right, so that's probably going to be like that. And then, all right, okay. Looks like this is going to go here. We've got a white one on top. Here. And then we've got this one over there. Looks about right. Okay. And then this one's going to go here. I kind of skip around a little bit as I'm piecing this together, trying to figure out exactly what they're having us do here. Obviously, everybody has their own style and how they do it. This is just the way I do it. Okay. Okay, we're getting the front of the speeder here. Okay, that's getting together here. And then, let's see, is it? Definitely trying to figure this guy out. Ah, there we go. That's what it needs. Looks like that. This, and then this. That's looking pretty good. Then we're gonna need one of these. And then it looks like this one is here. And then maybe like this. Looks kind of like that. All right. That looks right. Okay, cool. And then that guy goes like that, and we've got our speeder. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put this guy over here. I might do one more, actually. I think I like it with one more like that. Okay. So that is my speeder here from day number 7. So far, what do you think is your favorite? Day number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7? All right, I think so far it's going to be day number 1 for me. That's going to be my favorite, but we'll go ahead and continue on. As you can see, the pile of extra pieces is starting to grow. But tomorrow we're going to go ahead and do day number 8.